I want to ask for men. Why you guys always like this? Oh, like that. Why? Why? And you guys like that, right? Why?
Namin ginagawa yan kasi baka may nakita maganda. Joke lang. All jokes on the side, kaya namin ginagawa yan kasi baka naiipit na. Baka mag-choke na, magsuka, kami pa mapipisala. Sa pagkakamon naman, kaya nagkaagan yan, baka nakalimutan magugas. Joke lang. Baka nainitan lang naman, kaya gano'n.
Quick question for men. What if I paid you $2,000 a month to live with me in a tiny cabin? No phone, no internet, no TV, just trees, food, and me, your little wife. Cooking together, card games at night, so what do you think?
Very tempting. Ganun ba? Sorry, I'm hard to get. Kung may ganito ka, wag na lang.
Sana all.